Yo, what's good? It's your boy Cali, man. HMG. I'm back at it, nigga. I told you I wrote the In Too Deep, so we about to get into the In Too Deep right now. Shit, wow. I'm ready to do this shit. Let's rock, nigga. Hood music. I tried the streets. Then I realized that shit was gonna get me killed. Then I found religion, went hard with that. But when I seen it for what it was, I knew I was in too deep. One thing I did learn though, no matter what you do, people gonna judge you anyway. So at the end of the day, be you. Shit, I know I'm gonna be me, man. I'm Cali. Hood music. Listen, I'm on a mission. I don't need your permission. I'm messed up in the head from fucking with a religion. Divide like it's division. Ride for your division. That's what I was taught, a lie that I was given. I'm not gonna lie, I was high when this was written. But I'm looking straight through my eyes, you see a vision. I'm on a rise. Not surprised you niggas tripping. How you survive? I'm surprised you niggas living. You choose the streets, you gon' die before you living. You choose the church, they criticize the way you living. They say I sin cause I want a massage from naked women. Oh God, can't you see this is God? We making children. We get together, they say that God is in the building. Then tear each other down, but God is in the building. We ain't have to be taught to lie when we was children. It was already in the survivor. We was killed men. Like a skirt in Scotland, nigga, I killed them. If they wanna see, show them the house like I'm a realtor. First sit and laugh, then get mad cause I'm a realist. You niggas pass, I'm a grab nigga gorilla. I'm not gonna sit here and brag like I'm a killer. If it's you or me, I'm gonna blast nigga. I kill you with no trace. Whole face like it's a dimple. First squeeze, then pop like it's a pimple. Then I speed and don't stop cause it's a rental. Nigga please, I just rock the sentimental. At the same time, I put thoughts up in your mental. I'm a shark, are you sweet and taught? Niggas is minnows. You got caught, now get watched by little kiddos. They act hard, but they soft like little pillows. Understand, you a half of a man like Lil Willow. You niggas is undercover like Williams, nigga, you Willow. Just admit it, I did it, the flow is wicked, you timid. I'm a mathematician, you just a digit, which means I could add or subtract you in a minute, divide, then I multiply when I was given, can't hide. We all gonna die, man, that's a given. But at least when you alive, take pride in the way you living. We all know right from wrong, stop hiding your religion. Cause you went too deep, man. You better pull yourself out before you forget who you are, man. It's your boy, Cali, hood music. I'm a soldier, man. This is what I do. Rock with me, man. Yes.